We got 21-year-old woman turns misdemeanor into felony.
It was supposed to be a simple traffic stop. What happened next was anything but.
How are you doing?
Knock it off.
It's always supposed to be simple, and it's never.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, for insurance?
I don't have my ID.
You don't have your ID?
No.
Rebecca, you own the car, correct?
Yes, I do. It's my vehicle.
Okay. So your license suspended?
My license isn't suspended.
Yes. Your license was canceled because you failed to take your class that you were supposed to take.
No, it's not.
Are you telling me? Because I have access to motor vehicle data, and we ran your tag, and your tag is suspended.
What are you going to check? What website are you going to?
That expired. You have your insurance card?
No, that's it.
This
Hey,
the one?
Where are you at?
I need proof of insurance or else
That is all I f***ing have.
your car is about to be towed if I don't have proof of insurance.
I need you to load your fucking boat up and come. I'm about to get f***ing arrested. Apparently my shit was suspended.
Ma'am, step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car. It's
For what
not a
reason?
request. It's
For
an
what?
order.
Dude, this is the third video in a row where the immediate move is to call their mom, dad, whatever, parent. And that sounded kind of like it was a parent or something.
Reason.
Jesus.
Start me another unit.
I'm not f***ing listening. There is no goddamn reason for me to get out of my goddamn car.
You're under arrest. Get out the car.
No.
Get out the
I'm
car.
f***ing under arrest. Can you fucking come get me for no fucking...
I mean, he's being kind of like bold with it, but it's because she's kind of being a bitch. Like, what are you doing? Just be nice. He's the one who gets to decide.
reason. Record this. Record. Do
Don't.
not f***ing touch me.
Ma'am, stop
Do
pulling.
not touch
Stop
me.
pulling from me.
Ryan, come get me. What the f***?
I don't-
Ryan.
Okay, yeah, you definitely... I think she was just trying to buy time, really. I don't think she was, like, really resisting all that much, but she wasn't helping the situation.
No, record this shit. Record this.
Everything's recorded.
Come on. There's no
That's how I want to go out. If I'm going to jail, I want to be getting handcuffed, screaming, record this. That's my move.
fucking reason
Stop
for this. You
resisting.
sorry piece
You
of
stay
shit.
there, you'll be arrested. Okay?
You're a
She's
dick.
got to chill. She's got to chill. Stop, or you're gonna be thrown on the ground. Stop it.
Let me fucking go.
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
What does she think's just gonna stop him?
You break my arm, you sorry piece of shit. I'ma fucking punch you.
Well, that's
What
a
arm?
felony right there for making a threat. Okay? You just upgraded from a misdemeanor to a felony.
Press one. This is
Oh, even just with that? Oh, wow.
no reason for this. What am I being arrested for?
Resisting arrest without violence. Okay?
For what?
Not stepping out of the car when I told you to do so.
This is my fucking
He just don't have the time, obviously. This isn't even like a normal thing. He just flagged your plate, so he's not even like a traffic cop. He's not, you're wasting his time alone, so he's not gonna sit here and play that game with you, I guess. Note if you get pulled over in that kind of car, then I guess. Be careful which cop gets you.
Oh, you wanna learn? Anything illegal on you?
No, don't fucking touch me. You are not a fucking woman.
Am I patting you?
You are not a woman.
I don't have to be a woman.
I will fucking
okay?
scream rape.
You scream all you want. I told you everything's being recorded. Go for glasses.
No.
Get in the car.
Piece of shit. Next one.
Oh, so she's like racist too? Was that what that was?
Mom said how did she get her license if she didn't take that class?
What do you mean? She got a ticket, and that ticket required a class, and she didn't take the class. They suspended. They canceled her license.
Oh, so this is like a multiple offense kind of situation then, in that case.
She got a ticket that she was supposed to take that class. She didn't take the class.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. So there's no insurance on the car. I could tow the car right now. Okay? I don't want to tow the car with you guys.
I can take the car right home.
Okay, there's no insurance on it. Okay, that is a criminal offense in the state of Florida. The car cannot be on a public roadway if it's not insured.
All I'm thinking about is all the red ants in these little holes in the ground right there.
Okay, I am going to let you keep the car and park the car.
My mom said that that she could put insurance on the car real quick. What
Real quick, you can now put insurance on the car.
do I need the VIN number? What do I need to give you to put insurance on it real quick?
You have you got a license?
It's Rebecca's car. She can't send you anything. She's in the back of the cop car. And he has her vehicle registration in her
She's good.
pocket.
She's talking to mom.
There's a third person? I didn't even see this person the whole time.
It's the driver that was out of
Becca
control.
is in the back of the cop car. I can't send you anything because her vehicle registration is in
What's
her
that?
pocket.
She got a license or a
She wouldn't get out.
time code.
Yeah, it's
Why is your registration in her pocket? That's a weird thing to keep on you, isn't it?
her. She's the problem. I mean, they didn't really do anything. Okay. So the car is not insured. Her license suspended. She didn't believe it, and then she made a scene out of it. Okay. She didn't want to get out the car, so she got assisted to get out the car. Alrighty. So.
Do you know them?
Gosh, the one that got.
Is there anything in the car that's not supposed to be?
Nothing that's mine that I
Nothing that's not yours?
No, none.
I'll search that
was at the house and we were supposed to go walk the dogs, so I joined.
Okay, the only reason why I'm asking is because at your feet in the car there's a weed.
Oh, that is
a cylinder.
No, sir, that is not mine.
Okay, what's in it?
It's whatever they have. It's.
Oh.
Did somebody throw something in the back seat toward you, or was it just in there?
It was just in there.
Okay.
It was just me, and I brought my phone.
What's in the cylinder down there?
What do we think? Do we think it's hers? I kind of think it's hers.
What?
She's just pinning it on them.
Watch out, buddy.
Thank you. Oh, that's
This?
Yeah.
What's up?
some weed.
Doggy.
That's the grinder.
There's
Okay.
two dogs.
That's it's okay. Alrighty. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? No reason to call me a dick. She put herself in this situation. She
Well,
would have
you
been.
smashed her out of the car, and she hit her head and everything.
Listen.
So.
When if I asked her to step out of the car multiple times, she doesn't have the right to refuse. It's an order. A driver or passenger, anybody, if they get asked to get out of the car, they have to get out of the car. Man, you want your seatbelt on? No?
All right.
Well, there's no insurance, so that's a criminal violation. Driving with a Yes, you have no insurance. The vehicle is not insured, ma'am.
What do you mean?
Yes. You see, like I keep telling you things, and you don't believe me. There's no insurance on the car, and your license has been suspended since 11/23/2022.
Oh.
Last year.
I did not know about any of that.
Yes, so you failed. There's a class that you were supposed to take and you didn't take a class. Also, you are being charged with resisting arrest, and I'm considering charging you with the felony of making a threat to a law enforcement officer when you said you were going to punch me in the face.
There's no reason for you to pull me out of my vehicle.
Ma'am, you need to understand that you're a
you
driver or a passenger. You don't have the right to the car. Okay, so you're under that misconception that your mom was going to get in situation.
In a hostile situation, I felt threatened.
All right. She's not
You
learning
didn't say
nothing from this.
bullshit.
All right. And we don't get to see what she got.
We met in high school. Our daughter is 10 weeks old.
Either way, it was a decent video. It wasn't all that bad. Next one's going to be SWAT team responds to man's third bank robbery.